Join me as I dive deep into the latest SOUN stock update and see if I can predict where it's headed next. SOUN stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. The company has been making some significant moves that could impact its stock value. SOUN stock is currently facing some key challenges that have been affecting its performance. One major issue is the market fluctuation that's been happening across the tech sector. We've seen some significant drops in stock values over the past few months, and SOUN is no exception. Another challenge is the company's specific news that's been making headlines. There have been some concerns raised about the company's financial health, which has led to some investors getting nervous. These market fluctuations have been largely driven by changes in investor sentiment and global economic trends. As a result, SOUN stock has experienced some pretty significant price swings. The company's financial health is also being closely watched, with some investors questioning its ability to meet its long-term obligations. Adding to the uncertainty is the competitive landscape, which is seeing rapid changes and innovations. The company's recent financial reports have been closely